Melkio Ondeto. Mr. Speaker, for that regalia to be complete, I must have a fly whisk, I must have a rosary, I must have an image of Papa Melkio Ondeto on my chest, and I must pull out 7 lower teeth, and probably have dreadlocks. Mr. Speaker, if I walked in that style and fashion and argue that it is a religious regalia, this house is going to look like an unserious place. Mr. Speaker, we need firmness. We need firmness. We need because again, Senator Methu cannot choose that one day is a Corino, the next day is Mwenenyaga, another day he will come here dressed like a Hindu, another day will come like a Shakahola convict. In fact, the way he looks emaciated, Mr. Speaker, I am suspecting that he has started fasting and starving himself. Mr. Speaker, could you please, in a very, very serious regime where a lot of our young people are getting brainwashed, would you please give directions, Mr. Speaker, so that we can restore the dignity of this house and ensure that there is some civility in the manner in which we behave, in the manner in which we dress, Mr. Speaker, because I am afraid that Senator Methu is slowly drifting to the Shakahola sect. It usually starts like this until things get out of hand.
Order, senators.